we see many students clinch such a high marks, but unfortunately they fail NT test of medical and engineering and other tests. What do you think? Will you pass the medical test?
Yeah, inshallah, I'm sure.
Kandil, what do you want to be in future?
I wanted to be a doctor in future, an oncologist, a specialist in cancer.
Why do you want to be a doctor?
I wanted to be a doctor of cancer. I mean, because my father was died with the cancer, and I wanted to treat the patients of cancer free of cost.
You see, many of the doctors in our society, they have become butchers. They earn more than 3 lakhs per day, but still they are not satisfied with the amount. Will you be doctor like them, or the doctor which serves the humanity?
I will serve the humanity.
Kandil, what's your message to those students who scored less or those who just hardly passed?
Marks are not everything in your life, but work hard, and one day, inshallah, you'll be succeeded.
Thank you so much, Kandil. May you succeed. Wish you health, wealth, and longevity.